In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye icon in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to find a clean eye icon from Figma's built-in resources, drop it into your design, position and resize it confidently, and quickly change its outline color to match your project. Start by logging in and opening Figma. From your dashboard, open the project where you want the eye icon to live. Make sure you're inside the right design file, and if you're working with multiple frames or screens, click into the specific frame where you want to place the icon so it lands in the correct spot. Once you're in the editor, press Shift+I to open the resources panel. This is Figma's quick way to browse components, icons, and community assets without leaving your file. In the search bar, type the word eye and give it a moment to load the results. You'll see a variety of options. Take a second to browse and choose an eye icon that matches your style, whether you prefer outlined, filled, minimal, or more detailed. Click the one you want, then hit Insert at the bottom right of the panel. Figma will place the icon onto your canvas, usually near the center or inside the frame you had selected. With the icon on the canvas, click to select it and drag it to the exact spot you need. As you move it, Smart Guides will help you align it with nearby elements. To resize, use the corner handles. If you want to keep the proportions consistent, hold Shift while dragging. You can also type in precise size values in the Properties panel on the right for pixel perfect control. While it's selected, that right-hand panel is your main hub for adjustments. To change the icon's outline color, look for the Selection Colors section in the Properties panel. You'll see a color swatch representing the current stroke or fill. Click that swatch and a color dialog will appear. If it opens on a libraries view first, switch over to the Custom tab to bring up the full color picker. From here, choose a new color that fits your brand or design. You can pick visually, use sliders, or enter an exact value if you already know your color code. If the icon contains multiple parts, selection colors may show more than one swatch. Updating a swatch updates all matching parts at once, and that's it. You opened your project, used resources with Shift+I to find and insert an eye icon, positioned and resized it, and then updated the outline color through selection colors and the custom color picker. You're ready to use this process for any icon you need.